When we wait for just what's the name, Zahira, let me just check. Let me just check with her where she is. Just one moment. And where is Zahira? She's not here yet. Okay, I tell you what, we will start straight. Okay, come, you turn on your videos, come. We are going to start straight now because I think we better do so lah. Let me see where am I. One. Okay, can you see the screen? Come. Oh, Zahira is here. Zahira. Come, Rahana, Hayan, come. We are going to start now. Okay, Zahira, can you hear me? Rahana, Hayan, turn on the video, come. Hayan, Rahana, Hayan, come. Okay, we're gonna start. Let us try this one. If we have done this, please tell me. I hope we have not done, but we have done. We will just revise part of it. Okay, have we done this one? Yes, no? Do you remember? No, right? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, we do this one straight. This one we need to do 1, 2. Yeah, this one we need to do all 4 lah. Okay, can you send me your answers straight? Okay. Rahana, where are you, Rahana? Can I see you, Rahana? I don't sleep, Rahana. Wake up. How come you don't want to show me your face? Why? I model what? Why?
It's
Huh?
like that.
It's like that.
It's like that.
What do you mean it's like that? If you haven't experienced, no,
I don't want to
actually.
show my face. I don't want to show my face. Simple.
Oh, okay, simple lah. Better cancel this girl out lah. Better cancel. Ask her to leave lah. Report lah. Okay, can you try then? You try to and send me your answers. It's not so clear. Scan stuff, maybe it's too fast. Oh yeah, okay. Yes, okay. I forgot. Okay. Here is at here, not times. At. So, oh yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. Okay. And the next one. Okay, good here. Zahira and Raihana. Okay, good here. Okay. Here you do E and F. Miss Zahira, what's your answer? Raihana, what's your answer?
Sure, can I WhatsApp you?
Okay, sure. You can WhatsApp me, no problem. Okay. Zahira? Okay, thank you very much, Zahira. Let me see. Okay, good for A, good for B. B is not correct. Good for C, good for, but D, what does it, okay. Let me see now. We look at Raihana's answer. Good for A. Okay, now for Raihana and Zahira, look at this. Please be very careful. Okay, watch this. If they say from 6 down here, it means the 6 got to be in front. Dari means this one must minus 6 minus H. What you are writing H minus 6 is subtract 6 from H. This is subtract 6 from H. This is not the right one. Subtract H from 6. So H 6 must be in front. Okay, the next one, let me see. Okay, this one, there's no Rx lah. 5 times R times W. Okay, so 5RW lah. Now the last one now. If it's by K, it means, what does by K mean? Means the K is at the bottom. Okay, K down here will be at the bottom. So you make sure that you have, okay, down here now, over K, 20 over K. Okay, this is 20 over K. By K, remember by means this by must be below. Okay, the other one from means it must be in front. You must memorize this. Okay, there is no easier way than that. Okay, so now down here you can see by, divide by K, by 2N. You know where is this supposed to be? Can you try E and F, please? Ian, have you sent me yours? Let me check. Ian, E and F also. Okay, good. Zaira, how? Hold on, I am going to refresh this one. So we show you the next. You do all this one because this is basic. You must be able to do. Raihana, I cannot see you, Raihana. If you do not want to that thing, I will remove you lah now. I tell you, this girl, I already explained many times. You tell your mother to talk to me. Okay? All right. Please, please do, we be serious. Don't be like Raihana. I feel like telling her parents to stop her tuition. I'm wasting time. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's see here now. Let's see. 9. Okay. How come got two answers like that? What about Zahira? Zahira, can you try your answer for E, Zahira?
I give already.
Okay, what about Hayan? Hayan is sent already, yeah? Hayan, I have not sent. Oh, Hayan, sorry. Okay, so Zahira, down here, watch it very clearly. Yeah? Now, they want you to find the product divide by 2n. All right? Divide by 2n. Huh? You put over 2n here. Now, down here now, you don't write 9p plus 8p. Down here is 9p times 8q. So take number times number. 9 times 8, 72. P times Q, PQ. All right? Over 2n. Can? You understand? Zahira, you understand? Yes. Huh? Okay, move on. We move on to the next one now. Hold on. Now, let me see now. Hey, Ian, what about your next answer, Ian? Ian, you have not sent me anything here. D plus G square. Oh, you don't know what. Okay, what about Zahira? Here you move on to the next one, Zahira. But here your answer for this one is not correct. The answer for this one. So let us check. You move on to the next question. I'm just going to get Raihana in again. This girl. Now I myself. Okay, we're gonna go through the. I do not know how to get her back in now. Let me see. Oh, no. Okay, you. See, I'm distracted by Raihana. Okay, we look at this one first. Down here now, you say by the square root of g. So Heian, square root of g is like this. This is the square of g. So Zahira, you wrote square root of g, but I do not know whether you know this is the square root of g. And then 10 EF is correct. So your answer must be like this. 10 EF over square root of g. Okay, come we move on to the next one, come. Now let's see. Here. Okay, here. Well done for G. What about H here? Zahira, where are you, Zahira? Yes. Lower your the thing lah. Now I just remove what's her name? Hey, Ian also lower your video. How come you don't wanna do properly? Alamak, you all are ready, you know. You know how many students I stopped? Some students don't know I stopped students. So Zahira G. Hen, H, Hen. What's the answer for H? Hard. Okay.
It's for G square root also. Right.
No, G is not square root of 2. Okay, so I show you G, okay? Down here, cube from, right? Remember just now also we had from. Down here we had from. Subtract 6 H from 6. So this I was telling you is 6 minus H. So the H got to be in front. So the same thing now down here. The cube of D. What is cube of D? It's D cube lah. Okay, subtract the product of this one. What's the product? X times 3y. 3xy. Okay. All right. Now we move on to the next one. H now. We do step by step. Add the square of the result of 4m divided by 2u. Okay, so now down here. We are supposed to add the result, the square, to u. So the last part, we must plus u. So let us break it down. When you have something difficult, you break it down. The square of the result. What result? So we can say this is the result. We can put a square here. Okay, we're gonna add the square of the result. What's the result of what? Oh, 4m divided by 5. 4m divided by 5 down here. You square it and then you plus 2. You get it?
How you get a 4M?
There down here, this is question. Result of 4m. Okay, I'm going to erase this one first. So that we are all very clear now. Okay, watch. We are moving up down here. So it says add the square. So we know now that there must be something squared. So what is going to be squared? A small 2 of the result of m, 4m divided by 5. So they want you now to do this. What? 4m divided by 5. Add it to u. Okay? You get it? All right. So now, what we're going to do, can you try now? This one is easier, number 2, A and B. 2A and B. Hayen, where are you, Hayen? Okay, we are doing A and B, yeah? Hayen, have you sent me your answer? Hayen, are you doing my Hayen? Question 2A and 2B. Have we done this? We have not done this, right? No, right? So let us hard. Hard lagi ke? This one not hard now. 2A and 2B is easy. That was the previous one maybe. Zahira, what about you, Zahira? Don't know how to do it? Okay, I'm gonna. Are you sure you don't know how to do? Don't know, eh? It's serious, not you all. Okay, now let us do one by one. Hen, you don't know also, Hen. Hen, do you know? Hen, are you there? Hey, Hen, answer me lah. You know how to do or don't know how to do? Zahira, you know how to do or don't know how to do? Don't know, I'll show you.
Can you show me one?
Okay. All right, now, what we're going to do now, whenever we're going to substitute the value, substitute means we put in the value down here, 2. This is x, right? We use a bracket down here. What do? We put this value here. This value now we put inside here. So we put the 2 here. So what is this now? -1 plus 4 is equals to 4 minus 1 lah, 3. Can you get it? You just put the value into the x or the y. So maybe you try this one also. You try this one. Okay, you try. I mean, maybe I'm blocking that thing. Let's see whether it's blocking or not. Hey, Ian, are you there, Ian? Are you doing? I can't see. Okay. Okay, you just got it. All right, I just showed you the first one. What about B? What was Sahira? See, okay, now we check both. Zahira says is for B is -1. Heian says is -7. So let us see. The question is -5y. You can see my screen. I put the bracket here. I'm going to put the value of 5y inside here. Okay, -1. Minus x. Another bracket here. And I'm going to put the value of x, which is 2. Now, down here, -5 times -1. Minus times minus give you plus 5. 5 times 1, 5. Minus 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 becomes plus. Then -2 lah equals to 3. Both of you got it wrong. Okay. The answer here is 3. Okay, I show you again. You see down here, y is -1. You put in the value here. Remember, this is this times this. 5 times 1. Minus times minus give you plus down here. But we don't need to write the plus here. Minus what? X. X is, sorry. X is 2. So down here is +2, right? So minus and plus is minus lah. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, you try the next one. You try the next one. This one, C. Now what you must do inside the bracket first, then times the 9. When you see brackets like this, let's say now I have like that. And then beside there's another bracket. This thing down here means times. It means times. Okay. All right, we try. Hey, Ian, what are you looking at here? Anything you don't know, not Ian? All you know,
Is it 3 minus 3 over
Yeah,
4?
3 minus 3 or 4, sorry. Yeah. Here, this is minus 3 or 4. Here, Z. So you got to be careful. This is 2Z. You got to find out what's the answer here. Lah. I got a feeling that your answer is not correct, Ian. Come, you try to use the bracket method that I taught you here. The bracket method. Remember this bracket method. If not, I will show you again. Okay, if you do not know, I'm going to. So in Zahira say 4 and 1 4. Okay, let us do this one. Let us do this one now. Okay, you look. Here also look. I think both our answers are not correct. Please observe how. So down here now, there's two brackets. I do one bracket, and there's another bracket on here. Inside, I'm going to do another bracket for the Z, and then plus 4. Can you see now? This is like 2Z. Z is here. Then Y is here. So I must put in the value of Z. The value of Z is 3 over 4. But there's a minus. Now remember what this is. This, when you have a number, let's say 2 like that, you know what it means? It means it's 2 times 5, you know. If there's a minus down here, it's not 2 minus 5. It's 2 times minus 5. If let's say this one is minus. So how to do this one now? Watch, watch, okay? Here, only watching here. So this is 2 over 1. Down here is times. 3 over 4. There's a minus down here. So this 2 can cancel with this 4. Divide by 2, you get 1. Divide by 2, you get 2. So top times top, 1 times 3 minus 3. 1 times 2, 2. Equals to, this is 1.5 lah. Minus 1.5. So now we're going to continue. So this one now becomes what? Okay, we put in the y lah. Y is minus 1 here. So now, after we have done this, we simplify it. You times this out, you get minus 1.5. So now I'm going to fill it up again now. So this is minus 1.5. Okay. Plus 4. See, can you see now? This is 4. This one we times up become minus 1.5. Then down here is minus 1. You must do this bracket first. So 4 minus 1.5. How to do? Okay. It's like 4 whole minus 1.5. I hope you know how to do. You don't know, I'll show you, okay? Because quite a number of students who I teach, they do not know. This one I break to 3, and 1 whole I break to 2 over 2. So this is like 3 whole plus 1 whole equals to 4 whole. So 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So your balance is 2.5. So down here, after you have done this, this one is 2.5 positive, times by minus 1. Now anything times 1 give you anything. So down here, 2.5 times 1 is 2.5. Okay, and then positive times negative is negative. So this is the answer. Zahira, you get it? Zahira? Zahira, you get it? Hayan, can you get it? Huh? Hayan, you understand? Huh? Yes, huh? Okay. Zahira, you get it? No. Little bit. Okay. So which part you don't get it now? Unmute yourself. Tell me which part you don't get it. Which part? So I can go through that part. Which part you don't get it? Which part you confused? The whole thing is confusing. Or is it fractions you're weak at? Which one?
Fraction. Yeah.
Fraction. Okay. So you got to practice. Okay. So now we try. For Hayan, you got no problem understanding this one, right? No problem, right? So Zahira, let me just for Hayan, you move on to question this one, D. Yeah. While I go through is Zahira something now. Okay. So Zahira will go through, but I will hold on. I'll stop to share. I'll start again. Okay, Zahira. So Hayan, you do this one, huh? Zahira, let's say now we are doing okay 550 lah. 50 minus half. What is your answer? How do you do this? Okay, you do not know that? Never mind. 1 minus half. What's your answer? You got one pizza. You got one pizza.
Half lah. Half.
Half, good. So down here, Zahira, you got 50 pizzas here. Don't cut the 50. Only cut one. So 49, you don't cut. So you just remember like this. 50 is equals to 49 plus 1. This 1 minus half, you get half. So it's 49 and a half lah. Can you see that? Can you see? This 1 now, for 50 is 49 plus 1. So you take 1 minus half is half lah. Down here, 1 minus half is half. So 49 and a half. Correct not? You try this one now. You try. Zahira, you try this one now. 100. You see, all these are miss. Rahana will miss out now. You try now. Can you do this one? And let us see here. What is the answer? Here. 1 whole 3 over 10. Okay, while we are waiting for Zahira, I'm gonna check yours down here. X, Y is how much here? Let's see Y.
Is the answer 99,304?
Yes, well done. So now you know how to do. Okay. All right. Now we check this one first, Zahira. We check this one. Y is minus 1. So I write minus 1 here over. X is 2 minus 4 over 5. Let's see whether Hayan is correct. Hayan say the answer is. So Hayan, look at this, Hayan. Hayan, where are you, Hayan? What is the common denominator for you? 10, right? Okay, now you times by 5. You times by 5. All right, you times by all you times by 5 lah. Okay, so what do you get now? No, sorry, times by 2. Times by 2, huh? So your new one will be here, write it down here. 5 times minus 1 is minus 5 over 10 minus 4 times 2, 8 over 10. Okay, here you're correct. So you utang 5, you utang 8, all together you utang 13 over 10. Here you can move on to the next one, which is equals to what? 1 whole 310. Okay, congratulations, Ian. 1 whole and 310. With a minus in front. Zahira, okay, this one? Okay, you try to this one now. Y squared means y times y. Y squared means y times y. Okay. Or you can write it like that. Y, what's the value you put in? Put another bracket like that. And now put another y beside it. Okay, you try that. Just give me a moment. Huh? Let us see whether anyone sent me. Here and send me an answer. No, not yet. If you are stuck, tell me you're stuck. Okay, oh, Zahira has given me an answer. Okay, let's see. But Zahira must put in the value of x is how many, x is 2, y is -1. You must put in all the values. Okay, you cannot minus what? This one you cannot minus. You must put in the value. If you're confused, no problem. I'll go through with you. Huh? Hey, are you confused? Hey, I cannot see you. Hey, are you confused? Not? Yes.
Why 2 means you must take -1 times 2.
Okay,
-1.
-1 times -1. Okay, never mind. I'll show you now this one. I'll show you this one. The next one you do. Okay, now we do step by step. So every letter we use a bracket. X, we use a bracket. Y, we use a bracket. But we put a 2 down here. Z, we use another bracket. Remember what I mentioned? Okay, here it's just okay. Let's see whether you're correct. Here you check. Bracket means ya Allah, something. So bracket means times. This one means times. Okay. So now down here, -5 x is put bracket lah. So put in the value. X is 2. Right down here, right? So down here, x is also 2. Y is how much? Y is -1. Put -1. Z is -3/4. So which one do you do first? Okay, I suggest you do this one. Or you can even expand this. Zahira, watch Zahira. Watch, I expand this because this is square. I do it like that. Then you can do all one shot. Watch out, the 2 I put on here like that. This square now I expand it. What expand? That means I make it bigger. -1 times -1. That's what the square means. And then -3/4. Okay. Down here I can already times out for this one. It's -10 lah. 5 times 2 is 10. So now you can do the 2 times 1 is 2. Don't worry about the sign yet. 2 times 1 is 2. Times 1 is 2. And 2 times 3, you can write like that. 2 times 3/4. Let's say if you are still not sure, you can put like that. Now you will decide on the sign. What's okay? Hold on. Let me just write this one. You see down here, this plus times minus is minus. Minus times minus is plus. Then plus times minus is minus. So this whole thing will become minus. So we times up. 2 times 3 is 6. So 6/4. It's minus, -10. So 6/4 is what? We reduce, I say 6/4. We can reduce, no, Zahira. We divide by 2. We divide by 2. What do you get? You get 3/2. 3/2 is the same as 1.5. And remember this one, there's a minus. So it becomes. Are you confused, Zahira? Are you confused? No, huh? So this one becomes 6/4 becomes -1.5. -10. So you owe $10, you owe $150. Altogether you owe $11.50. You utang, $11.50. You add them together because you utang what? Utang one, utang the other one, so utang more. So, Hayan, you know your mistake, Hayan. Can see not? Can I? If you cannot, you must tell me. Then I have to check your working. Okay, we move on to the next one. You try question Y. So I'm going to erase this. Hold on, I just stop the screen share. I clear the thing. Okay. So you can write it down in your bracket form. Okay, if you want me to write it for you, you want some guidelines. If you need, if you don't need, it's okay. Don't need to look. But if you need, down here now, we are doing this one. You can do Y1 bracket here. Then you can use a different bracket after that. Like that. You have 5 inside. Then bracket. And then another bracket inside. So why so many brackets? This one for the letter X now. +1. Don't worry about the different type of bracket. It's just for you to realize that down here is 1. -7. Like that. See? All you need to do just fill in the value of what? Well, down here is Y, right? So you fill in down here. You fill in over here. So it sends X, right? You get the fill in over here. Zahira can see not, Zahira? Can see not? You're confused, Zahira? You're confused, don't just keep quiet, Okay, you must, don't worry, okay? Please don't worry about, I'm, if you do not know, just ask. Hayan, are you confused, Hayan? Hayan confused not? Yes, okay. So now down here, let us look at the enlarged. I'm going to show you on the board. We write it down on the board so you'll see. No. I'm gonna copy the question first. You notice maybe you cannot see the bracket. They write a different bracket there. Then they have something. Okay, I'm gonna enlarge in a moment. So down here. Okay, so you can see, right? Okay. Zahira can see, right? Hayan can see, Now, they give you like that. So remember the strategy I told you is Y is -1. X is 2, right? Am I correct to say that? Yes, right? So now what we want to do, I told you that the strategy we use, we are going to change it into using every letter we use a bracket. So down here I do like that. This Y I use a bracket. Then I can use another bracket, this bracket, the square bracket. Down here I just copy 5. And then you have another bracket. Okay, let me use, let's say, this bracket like that. Like that bracket can also. If you want to use a different bracket. Down here also, until here, there's another bracket. You can see 5, 5. X +1. So I put a +1 here. And what I write this, I use this bracket for the letters. Okay. Your teacher won't scold you in changing the bracket. Don't worry, don't worry. You can use whatever bracket you want. -7. So can you see now? Y is -1. I put -1 here. X is 2. I put 2 here. Okay. So what to do? You learn, you must do the bracket first. This small bracket first. Okay. You must do this small bracket first. Why? Remember algebra, I told you they are different from human being. When they go toilet, they take out the inner clothes first. They take out, you must do the inner bracket first. Human being, we do the outer one first. So now, how is it? -1. Okay. This is, once we can remove 2 plus 1, 3. So 5, 3. You see, I can change the bracket. I can change the bracket style, no problem. So long as I understand. See, down here 2 plus 1 is 3. Just now I put a bracket. Then now I remove the bracket. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I put, or if you're confused, I use this whole bracket. But it doesn't matter. It's still a bracket. It's still a bracket. -7. If this is confusing, I change the bracket. Why am I changing to not confusing to you? So now do this one first. This is times, 5 times 3, 15, -7. Down here is -1. 15 minus 7 is 8. Now we got something like that. -1 times 8 is 8. Minus times plus is minus. Okay. I hope you all are right. Okay, we try now. We try the next one. We try the next one. Okay, I tell you what. We move on now. We move on. We move on. We move on. Let us see now. Okay. That's slow, Okay, now. You try this one. 3A and 3B. Don't know. Okay, let us check. Hayan has sent me. What about Zahira? Okay, Hayan, well done for A. What about B? Can you try B? Zahira, can see now, Zahira? You can do it, Zahira. All right, Hayan, let us see. All right, we will come to you in a moment now. We are waiting for Zahira. Okay, Zahira, we go step by step with you. Zahira, are there more pencil or pen?
Pen.
Pen. How many more? 2 more. So pencils, there's X. So pen must be X plus 2 lah. You got 2 more? That's it. So this is the number of pens Mrs. Lim bought. Okay. And then they tell you pencil cost 60 cents. Pen cost $2. So first of all, how many pencils you bought? X pencil. And how many pen? X plus 2. X plus 2. This is pen, the pencil. Now notice this is in cents, this is in dollars. We got to choose one. Either choose in cents or in, okay, let us see. Hen has chosen it to be in dollars. Okay, let us see now. But we do not know how much is it. How much we don't know. Do we know what's X? We don't know what's X. So this is the number of items. This one here, the number of what? Of pencils. And this is the number of pen. So how to find the cost? Let's say you buy 2 pencils. You must take 2 times 60 cents. The cost of 1 pencil, you take, and then you get 120. So what do? You look at carefully what you're doing on here. This is the cost of 1 pencil, 1 item. Cost of 1 item. All right. And then what about this one? This one is the number of items. Okay. How many? The quantity. This is the quantity, yeah. QTY, quantity. So you take the quantity times the price of 1 item. Okay, this item, 1 item 60 cents. So the same thing. This is the quantity. This here is the quantity. You want to find the cost, take quantity times the price. The price is given here. So we times by 60 cents. But we use dollar sign. You know why dollar sign? We must be the same. Otherwise, you will not have the same item. So dollar sign is 0.6. So how much do you pay for the pencils? You pay for pencils 0.6 times X, which is equals to 0.6X. This is now how much you paid for the pencil. And then what about the pens? It's $2. So you times this by 2. How to times by 2? Just times 2 like that. Which is the same as what? Which is the same as 2 bracket X plus 2. So now you must expand. 2 times X, 2X. Sorry again. 2 times X, 2X. 2 times 2, 4. So this now is the price of the pens. This is the price of the pencils. You must plus together because they want total cost of both pencils and pen. So you must take this plus this. So 0.6 X plus what? Plus 2X plus 4. Okay. What do you get? 0.6 plus 2X is 2.X. Then you plus 4. And then what you can do, you bracket it up like that. And then put a dollar sign. Okay, I'm just going to look at your the thing. Zahira, you understand or don't understand? Honest. Don't understand, right? Honest, don't understand. Hen, can I see your face, Hen? That's the reason why. Do you understand or don't understand? You understand? Okay, then I give you my own question now. Okay, I give you my own question. Zahira, you try to do also, okay? Okay, Ali, yeah? You can see here my question. Ali bought X pen and Y pencils. Okay. Pen costs $2. Pencil costs $3. Question, find how much money Ali paid for the pens and pencils. Can you try? I hope my stomach is not blocking you. Okay, Ian say 5xy. What does Zahira say? Zahira, what do you say? Zahira, what do you say, Zahira?
So you blocking me.
Can leave on the table. Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry, I'm too fat. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Si gemuk yang gemuk. Can see now. Cannot see. I'm gonna. Can see even more. Okay, we go one by one, Zahira. You tell me now. We want to find total cost. Take cost of one times quantity. How many pens are there? How many do you buy?
X.
So 2 times x, so equals to 2x.
3x.
Here, watch this because your answer is not correct. Then
3x.
3y. 3y. So now we need to plus them together here. You plus 2x plus 3y. This is your answer. Just put a dollar sign.
What?
You cannot go and combine them. Unless this is times, then you can combine, get 6xy. But you have no times, it's just plus. So it's 2x plus 3y. That's it. That's all. Okay? All right, now. I hope you're okay. Zahira, okay, now, Zahira? Okay, we try. Okay, good. We got another 25 minutes more. So let us try. Okay, let us try. Yeah, hold on. Now we move on to the next one. Okay, we move on to the next one. This one. Adeline. Okay. We do Adeline, number 4. You cannot see, I make it big. Oh, sorry. Well done, Heian. Congratulations for that. Your corrections. Good. Okay, Heian, if you don't understand, must tell. Now, Heian, the better way to write your answer just now is like this, you know. Okay. You write your answer. If you write like this, just now, your answer, you put dollar sign 2x and then dollars plus dollar sign 3y. Heian, you write like that, right, Heian? Heian, you write like that, right? Don't write like that. Write the dollar sign one time, put a bracket like this, 2x plus 3y. Okay? Get it, huh? 9 suku. Ustaz, 745. Tak nak pakai sini. Kamu mau keluar, keluar. Okey, aku keluar. Berapa minit lagi?
Are we doing question 4?
Yes, we are doing question 4A and 4B lah. How, Hayan, have you sent your answers, Hayan? Yang suku tak? Can, Hayan? You take your time, okay? Take your time, relax. You can do this. Trust me, you can do this. If you want me to show you by model method, I can show you. So no problem. No problem, huh? Did you send Hayan? Are you confused now? Hayan, are you confused? Hayan, are you confused? Are you confused? Zahira, are you confused? Zahira, are you confused? Zahira, are you confused? Can you hear me now? Okay, Hayan, yes. Okay, Hayan has given answer. Zahira, are you confused now? P plus P is 2P lah. Okay, let us see. We do step by step. Zahira, you do with me, Zahira, and Hayan. Now this is like P suites. Who has Adeline have? It's like I show you now your primary school method, if you remember. It's like 1 unit. This is P lah. Okay. Then Betty, she got half of Adeline. So Betty, she got half a unit only, like that. So half a unit, what we call it? Half P lah. Because this one is half, so this one must be half P. Half P. Can see, or maybe you cannot see, half P. Okay, so half P, So now the next one now. See, Charlene has 4 more sweets than Betty. So I draw the same thing, this half P. Half P is here, right? Plus 4. So how do I write in algebra? I write as half P. Hold on. I write as half P. Zahira, focus, Zahira. What are you doing, Zahira? Focus, I'm explaining to you, Zahira. Now down here. So this is P. This is half P. This is half P plus 4. That's the total. So they want the total number of sweets. So let us add the total. One is P. That's Adeline. And then Betty got half P. And what about Charlene? Charlene got half P plus 4. So let us go. Let us simplify this. You got 1P here. This is 1P lah. 1P plus half P is 1.5. Plus another half, get 2P. So the answer is 2P plus 4. Here, you can see not here. Do you understand what I'm doing here? Here you can see. What about Zahira? You understand? You sure or not? You don't go. You understand? You don't understand. You understand or don't understand? Be honest lah. Be honest. I'm here to teach you. Okay. Only thing that's now what's her name? Raihana. She was a little bit rude lah. So that's why sometimes we need to teach the student not to be rude. So I'll get her out.
She never join her.
I remove her.
Then she never join again.
She cannot join again. She tried to join, cannot join. So never mind. I asked her to join the secondary and see how it goes. But there must be discipline. She's playing a fool, you see. And you all are making more progress than her. But anyway, down here, do you understand? This is P plus half P plus half P. Half and half is 1 what? You can even do this, you see. If you don't understand, down here, I'll show you. This half now, I can push this half here. I get another half here, become 1P what? So 1P, 2P plus 4. Can see now? Can see clearly with the diagram? 1P, this half, I push it down here, become 1P now another P here. So 2P plus 4. So 2P plus 4, this is now the number of sweets. So now you try the next one. They are asking you to solve it. Adeline got 10. Adeline got 10 sweets. So they ask you what's the total number of sweets. Please try them. Very easy lah. Very easy. Hey, and from your answer, it's very confusing. No, P plus P over 2 plus 4, P plus 4 over 2. Very scary answer lah. You understand what I'm teaching, huh? This one? You understand? Okay, but never mind. The first time when you get something, face something difficult, this is going to happen. In life, is like that. Huh? In life, you must remember it's like that. Whenever you face something difficult for the first time, you will be confused, you'll be scared, you'll be unsure. And then we need some time to get used to it. So inshallah, you give yourself 1-2 more lessons, you'll be able to do well. So please don't miss any lessons. Huh? I'm worried for Raihana. Okay, I think you are not correct. I am so sorry. Okay, now we ask Zahira. Zahira, the total number is this one, right? Correct? Zahira. Now they tell you, okay, Adeline has P. They tell you P is equal to 10. Hey, P is equal to 10. Total is 2P plus 4. Just now we found out total is 2P plus 4. P is equal to 10. So how much is it?
20.
20. Down here 20. You put a 10 inside. And then you plus the 4. You get what? 24. 2 times 10, 20. Then 20 plus 4, 24. If you are confused, we go back to the primary school method. I know you do not want to go back to primary school method, but just to help you understand. P, Adeline got 10. She got half. She got 5. This one got 5 plus 4, 9. So 10 plus 5 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Okay? Okay, now. Today everyone's so quiet. Huh? Why? Huh? Is it because Miss Raihana is not here? Now you make me feel so bad. Huh? I feel as if I've done a crime. Okay, anyway, we try question number. Hayan, where are you, Hayan? Come back, Hayan. Don't go far away. Okay, this is F. Down here, you cannot see. Write it down for you. This is 1 over u plus 1 over v equals to 1 over f. Yeah, I must scan it properly lah. It's not done well. Then they say u is 36, v is 12. Find what is f. Hayan, come back, Hayan. Don't play in the dark. Come, do this one, Hayan. Stop playing by yourself. Come back.
We only need to set. We only need to tell the answer for F. Is it?
Sorry?
We only need to tell the answer for F.
Yeah, just find only for f. But yeah, what's the answer for? You can find the answer for f. What about here? You can find the answer for f. Okay, let us see. We got answer from Miss. Sorry, from okay, Zahira says it's 9. F is equals to 9. What about Mr. Hayen? What do you think, Mr. Hayen?
The both answer must equal to that.
Okay, so this one, yeah, I mean basically f is equals to this 1 over f is equals to these two lah. So let us see whether can you get it. You try. I'm going to show you in a moment. Hayen, can do Hayen? Hayen can do? Hayen, I cannot see your head lah, Hayen. You must nod your head or shake your head lah. I cannot see. That's why I need to do. I can only see a person. Hayen, use your voice then. I feel as if I'm talking to no one. Now see Zahira disappear. Apalah. Okay, I'm going to write this question. 1 over u plus 1 over v is equals to 1 over f. Okay, we try again. I know this is like a shock for you guys, but since your CA1 or WA1 is over, we can go through this. Okay, this don't worry, we take more time. This is the interesting part in what is it? In algebra. So now what is u is 36. What is v? V is 12. So let us go step by step. So I put in now 1 over 36. Zahira, look down here, Zahira. You are looking somewhere else, eating something. Look here. Equals to 1 over f. You see, I'm not even looking at you. I know what you're looking at. Okay, now down here. So what to do? You can times this by 3. You can times this by 3. And times by 3. So you get 1 over 36 plus 3 over 36 is equals to 1 over f. So you get 4 over 36 is equals to 1 over f. Reduce it lah. You can divide by 4, you get 1. Divide by 4, you get 9. So you get 1 over 9 is equal to 1 over f. 1 is equals to 1, f equals to 9. So f is equals to 9. That's it. Thanks. Thank you, sir. So, do you get it or not? Is it easy? Hayen, is Hayen there? I cannot see. Hayen, you understand Hayen? Hayen, I cannot see you lah, Hayen. Okay, yes. Okay, all right. Yeah, you can use the sign lah. Now I feel bad. I took out Rayana. Now I should discipline everyone. You know. Okay, we try this last question. You do A and B. So don't be so scared about this, huh? Okay, if you are a little bit confused, just know that C is the total cost. So this is the total cost. Okay, C is the total cost here. And there are concert tickets for adults and children. And they give you the formula for the cost. Okay, there's formula for the cost. So they're asking you, what is this number here? This 40p, 150p, what is that number? Do you know what the number is? Remember I told you about cost now. Cost, let's say now we take example. Cost of ice cream. One ice cream is $2. You buy 4 ice cream. How much is it? Oh, 4 ice cream, very simple. It's 2 times 4 is equals to $8. Can you see? $8. So you see, 1 ice cream is $2, 4 ice cream, $8. Now, this is the total cost. What is the total cost? It is the cost of 1 ice cream times the quantity. 1 ice cream times the quantity. So this one now, this is the quantity. P adults, you see? Q children, this is a quantity. So this one must be the cost. The cost of what? The cost of the children ticket. This 40 is the cost of one child's ticket. Cost of one child's ticket. Now, this needs getting used to by you. That means you must try to understand what the question is saying. Otherwise, you can't get it. Okay, one child's ticket. So now you try down here. So the cost of one ticket is what? 40 what? I also do not know, dollars lah, maybe $40 lah. Then the cost of one adult ticket is 150 lah. Adult one, I think is 150. So can you find now how much they have to pay in P and Q down here? You have father, mother, and 3 children. But remember, this one, these two are considered adults. Adult prices. Children aged 12 and older are charged adult prices. So this one is only one child. So you send your answers, please. Sa'adah bin Razali. Hey, you got answer? Quite easy, Azwan. Okay, so now I do with you. You all seem a little bit confused today. So I'm going to do. So now there are 5 persons. Married couple means husband and wife, 2 adults are here. Then there's 3 children, 10 years old, 13 and 15. They tell you that children age 12 and older, they are what? They are considered adults. Means this is considered an adult, this one considered adult. Just like you all are, you both of you be considered adult also. Okay? So that means there's 4 adults. Mommy, daddy, and 2 children, 4 adults. And then 1 child. 4 adults plus 1 child. 1 child. So now, we just do this lah. What is the price of the adult ticket? Price of adult ticket 150. So take 150 times 4. That is, you get 600 lah. Plus 1 child is 40. So 1 times 4 lah, 40. So you get 40 also. Okay, oops, sorry. You get 40 also down here. So answer is what? 640. Just add them together, you get $640. Aduh, the thing is, macam pen ran out ink. Of course, there's no such thing as pen ran out ink because it's all digital. So $640. Okay, are you all okay? All right, we'll stop here. Okay, if you need to revise, look through the video. All right. Okay, I'll see you next week then. Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.